The temperature in Boston was negative 15 degrees on Sunday at 1:10 p.m. It increased by 2 degrees every minute until 1:50 p.m. What was the temperature at 1:50? All right, so we have a before and after situation here. So before the time had passed, so the before is the 1:10 p.m. The temperature was negative 15 degrees. And then after some time had passed, which means we're now at 1:50 p.m. So after some time had passed, the temperature was, well, we don't know. That's what we're looking for. And then between the 1:10 and the 1:50, what's happening? Well, the temperature's going up each minute. So how many minutes are there between 1:10 and 1:50? So from 1:10 to 1:50, it looks like there's 40 minutes. All right, so now we know a little bit more. Instead of saying it increased 2 degrees every minute, we could say it increased by 2 degrees every minute for 40 minutes. Okay, so what's the increase? Well, keyword here is every. And every is telling me to multiply. So 2 degrees the first minute, 2 degrees the second, 2 degrees the third, fourth, so on. So the number of minutes, we need to multiply this by 2 degrees. All right, so the increase was 2 degrees times, because it happened 40 times, times 40 minutes. So there was a 2 degree increase, and that happened 40 times. So 40 times, we multiply. So 2 times 40 equals 80 degrees. So I'll put a little degree sign here so we know that's degrees times 40 minutes. All right, so we have an increase of 80 degrees. All right, so that is telling us that we have to take 15 degrees. And now we could use this other keyword, increased, so that means add, increased by. So the starting temperature plus the increase of 80 degrees, so we'll add 80 degrees. And that will give us the final temperature, negative 15 plus 80 will give us a final temperature of 65 degrees at 1:50 p.m. We didn't necessarily need to use algebra here in this problem because we were given all of the numbers that we needed to work with. Remember, algebra means we're using a variable to represent an unknown number. But here we knew all the numbers. The only thing we were looking for was the final answer, so we didn't have to work with that. That was the 65 degrees that we were looking for. All right, that does it for this problem.